Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a bag unboxing, which I haven't done in a very long time, just because I haven't actually bought too many bags recently. However, it has rekindled a bit of a love for me. So I did buy 2 Longchamp bags. I got them as like graduation presents from Ben. One is downstairs and it's just the small Le Pliage, like the regular nylon bag, so I didn't think that needed to have a whole unboxing. But the bag that I'm going to unbox today is one that I think is worth unboxing because I don't see many people have this, but I'm just gonna show you. So I picked this bag up from the Longchamp in Harrods. They're downstairs. They are located in the travel section. They're not in the handbag section. So it is the, if I am pronouncing it correctly, if I'm correct, I'll correct myself otherwise in the description, but it is the Longchamp Le Pliage Filet. And if you watch Emily in Paris, you are very likely to have seen this bag. I actually only know of this bag because of Emily in Paris. I've been umming and ahhing about this bag for a very long time, that even to the point that I was just going to get this small bag and Ben was like, no, if you like that, get it. But at the same time, you have been thinking about this bag for so long that we're just gonna get both. So I was very pleased, and yes, I'm really excited. I haven't used it yet, so I thought I would just unbox it for you. I say unbox, but it's really not unboxed. So they just wrap it in their Longchamp tissue paper, and let's see, because I saw it when it was kind of filled with like stuffing at the store. I think the new colors are like the orange and the lilac one, but I think I would get the orange one in the extra small, like the small version of this bag. So it literally just looks like this. So if I understand correctly, Longchamp did a collaboration with a bag with the company Filt. This is like the signature thing, like these bags. So it does look like a grocery bag because hello, I really like bags that are different. I'm a big fan of bags that are like this anyway for groceries. However, this just looks so adorable because it has the signature Longchamp handle here, and it has, you know, like the clasp and everything still. And I thought that this would be a really cute bag for the summer. I wasn't sure whether I wanted a smaller one, but they didn't have the smaller one in store anyway, so it kind of made the decision for me. But I believe this is like £80 and the small one is 60. Comes with the short handle like this with the leather clasp. But it also, what I like about it, comes with longer straps in the form of like just like the regular bag. Like, I'm sorry, but like how cute is that? Obviously it hasn't got anything in it, so it just looks a bit odd at the moment. But I have seen so many people put like a scarf inside it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a scarf that I have and see if I can pop it on there. But apart from that, I just think it looks absolutely adorable. It feels really well made considering it's just like a woven bag. Woven, is that what you would say? And this is very strict and feels really sturdy as well. Just thought this would be so cute for the summer, don't you think? Just like just in summer. Okay, I'm gonna run and get the scarf and see what it looks like inside. Okay, so I've put the scarf like inside so it forms like a little pocket, which I think is so clever. I wish it had like their flappy little pockets, but that's cute still. And look, oh look. So that is it. I also changed my glasses just in case. But yeah, that's everything. I think you should buy this bag if you're thinking about it. And